Hey everybody, it's Neil and we're in the kitchen, but we are going to try these Electrolyte drink mix today. This one here, they have 4 different flavors: chocolate, ice pop, fruit punch, and grape. So you get all sorts of ones here. It comes with, you get 100 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, 60 milligrams of magnesium. And it looks like, I'm sure we're just gonna have to just, oh, it has all the different ingredients there. If you want to see the ingredients, these are 0 calories, so that's what's good about these ones here too. And let's just go ahead and pick one of these. Let's see what flavor I'm gonna get here. Oops, someone's at the door. Okay, I don't know if I want chocolate. Let's see, which flavor should I try? There's chocolate. I'll try fruit punch. Why not? Fruit punch. So the packages come like this. This is what a fruit punch one looks like. It looks like it's very powdery inside. So it's gonna be super powdery. I'm just gonna leave a little bit of space in there so you guys can watch me do this. I'll do this here. Okay, and so the powder, you'll see here, it's just very, like powdered sugar, powdery. Okay. And oh, I thought it was gonna be red or something, but it's just kind of whitish. Okay, mix it up good. And let's give it a try. Doesn't have much smell. Maybe a little bit of fruit punch smell. Oh, it has a lot of flavor. Oh, that's good. 0 calorie. Yeah, 0 calories. It tastes like it's got a lot of sugar because it's sweet. Oh, that is good. It's good. Well, I like this one. This is good. Tastes good. If you need some electrolyte drink mix, this will keep you hydrated and good. Thumbs up. Really cool.